Today we have an iPhone 7 that has a boot loop issue. Charging cable, power up to see what we get. Okay, phone is charging fine at 1.6 amps, which means the phone is working fine. It's normal but working. Yeah, so it's getting a good charge. 1.8 amps. Okay, now it's boot looping. So it tries to boot up, but it couldn't. So let's try to hook up the power supply. See what we get. Let me see. Here it is. Yeah, that's the one. Let's see if we can boot up from here. So phone is not short. Oops. Come on. There you go. It's boot looping. So it's not a battery issue. It could be a software issue. So something caused the phone to boot loop. Let's take out the phone and we can go from there. So obviously this phone was repaired, had an attempted repair. So we're missing a cap here, and we're missing the foil shield in here. So the phone is booting fine until the end. It won't boot in, and so we measure here already. Let's measure again. Why this cap was removed. It's fine, it's not short here. So, it's fine here. Looks fine. See if it's short here. Here, let's go VD boots. Yeah, go short here. As well. So phone seems to be fine. It could be a software issue. Um, it won't boot into the system. It boot it boots fine until the end. Near the end, it won't go into the system. It reboot again. Okay, let's try to update the software if we can resolve the issue. Okay, so we're putting the phone in DFU mode, see if we can try to update the software. So the device failed to update. Okay, seems it's working fine. It completed the flash. So slow on battery, so we put on a charger. So the phone powered up. So basically, phone is charged at 1.7 amps. So it seemed like we fixed the issue. So the problem with this one was the corrupt software, firmware from Apple, resulted in the phone boot looping. So the only way to fix this is basically to restore the software. And this is what we did, and the phone is now booted fine. So thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And it helps a lot if you hit the like button. See you guys on the next video. Bye for now.